kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt or ripped up jeans. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moment turns to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Breath in the night, come back. It's a feeling I've been living for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too? Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now. Let's turn to memories.
Thank you for everything, teacher. I love you. Hi, teacher. Thank you for teaching us, and we will miss you. Thank you for everything.
Hello, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you po sa pagturo sa amin sa pagiging mabuting bata at sa iyong patience sa aming kaulitan. At masaya po ako na naging teacher ko po kayo ng grade 2. I love you, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you.
Annalyn, thank you po dahil tinuruan niyo po kami. Sana po marami po kayong maturuan. God bless po.
Hello po, Teacher Annalyn. Maraming salamat po lang kami ay ilang tinuruan ng mabuting asal. At sana po kayo ay always safe. God bless na lang po always. Maraming salamat po.
Teacher Annalyn, I just wanted to say something. I'm so glad to have a teacher like you. You taught us the whole school year. Pamimiss ka po namin.
Thank you po sa mga tinuro mo sa amin dati. At sorry din po kasi makulit kami ng grade 1 sa'yo. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Dear Teacher Annalyn, thank you for your courage and love. And when we turn grade 3, you'll still be our favorite teacher. I thank you for guiding us during bad times and good times. We are lucky that we have you, Teacher Annalyn. We love you all. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Teacher Ann. Salamat po sa pagtuturo ngayong buong taon. Salamat po sa pakikinig sa aking kwento. Salamat po sa patience. Sana po maging teacher po kita ulit. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless po. Bye-bye.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you for teaching us in every lessons that we have with patience and hard work. We will forever cherish all the memories we build and share with each other. Thank you and good luck to your journey. We love you, Teacher Annalyn.
Hi, Teacher Ann. Thank you, teacher. I am always grateful to have you as my mentor. You are my inspiration and role model. Thank you, teacher. I love you. Bye.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. You are so much more than just a teacher. Thank you for all the small things you do and for your big heart. I will surely miss you for my baby, friendly, and loving teacher. We are very lucky to have
Teacher Annalyn. Thank you because of you, I really started to love math and English. Your lessons have left an indelible mark on my life. You believed in me when I didn't. Thanks for lighting the path to knowledge. You've been more than a teacher. You've been an inspiration.
Guro, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sakripisyo at syaga na pagtuturo sa akin ng magandang asal. Lahat ng inyong tinuro sa akin ay gagaban sa akin hanggang sa pagtanda ko.
Thank you, Teacher Annalyn, for your sincere efforts in making me grow. Always take care of yourself. We love you.
Hi, teacher. Thank you for teaching us and making us learn. Thank you for the projects we have learned today and the subjects you have gave us. God bless you for teaching us, making us learn, and making friends. God bless you and see you soon.
Thank you, Teacher Annalyn, for your hard work and dedication. You are an amazing teacher. I'm so grateful to have had you. Thank you for helping me learn and grow. We will miss you.
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas na Presa. Salamat po sa pagtuturo at saka pagtutulak sa amin at sa walang pagsawa sa sorry po kapag kasaway po kami. I miss you, teacher, and God bless you.
Good morning po, teacher. I just want to say thank you for being the best teacher you can be. Kahit po sobrang kulit, ingay at pasaway po kami, you did try your best in showing us kindness and understanding. Salamat po sa mahabang pasensya all throughout the school year. I love you po. I miss you.
Maraming salamat po sa oras at tulong. Maraming salamat po sa gabay at suporta. Maraming salamat po sa dedikasyon at galing sa pagtuturo. Lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtuturo, teacher.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng itinuro niyo po sa amin at hindi ko po makakalimutan ang kabutihan niyo at ang sayang na klaseng natin. Ingat po kayo palagi. Mahal ko po kayo, Teacher Annalyn.
Hello, Teacher Annalyn. I appreciate your kindness and understanding. You make learning enjoyable and are always there to help when I need it. You make school seems like an adventure and I enjoy the way you explain everything. I appreciate being in your class and I will never forget how you inspired me. I will miss you, Teacher Annalyn. Love, Rises.
Thank you, Teacher Annalyn, for all of the knowledge and guidance you gave to us. God bless you and we will miss you.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Good evening and thank you po sa 1 year na pinagsamahan natin. Thank you po for the second mother of you. I love you and God bless po. We miss you.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you for teaching us and thank you for everything. Mamimiss ka po namin. I love you po, teacher.
Hello po, Teacher Annalyn. Salamat po sa matyagang pagtuturo mo sa amin at pagmamahal po. We love you. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Dear Teacher Annalyn, I just want to say that I was lucky to have a wonderful teacher like you. Wishing you lots of happiness and you are an amazing teacher. I love you and I'm gonna miss you po.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you for teaching and guiding us for the whole school year. You are such a great teacher. We love you po. Thank you, Teacher Ann, for teaching us all these days and months. God bless you po. We will miss you. Hi, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you for taking care of us and teaching us for the whole school year. We are happy because you became our second parent. We love you, teacher. Hello, Teacher Annalyn. Thank you for teaching me and my classmates. I will miss you, teacher. I love you. for teaching and educating our section grade 2 Daisy for this school year 2024 to 2025. We love you.
Hi, Teacher Annalyn. I was lucky to have a wonderful teacher as you are. Thank you for taking care of us throughout the year. You are an amazing teacher. Wishing you lots of happiness. Thank you for everything. I love you and we will miss you po.
Hello, Teacher Annalyn. Gusto ko po mag-thank you sa walang sawang pagtutulong at pagtitiis namin kahit makukulit kami. Mamimiss ka namin. We love you.
Windows down on my favorite street, sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt or a tie.